What's going on, guys? prt1 back at it with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you all my firework stash for 2020 part 1, since I have more stuff on the way. So over here, we got the sparklers, we got the 5-minute ones, we got small ones, fountains in the back, skyrockets. This is just for the kids, And over here we got an assortment box. Great show by Ninja. Also fountains for the kids also. I'm supposed to be getting 2 more of these. And over here we got another little assortment box. And these have cakes. 3 cakes. And we got Saturn missiles. I'm supposed to be getting 1 more of these. And over here we got the salutes. Can't go wrong with these. These are the big boy ones. And we got the rockets. Always gotta have the rockets. I'm getting 4 more of these. Now let's get into the canister shells. And I got the Alien Neon Invasions. I'm supposed to be getting 2 more of these. And these are my leftovers for last year's Pyro Solution shells. They're alright. And now we're getting into the cakes. These are all 500 grammers. So this one's Freedom Wings. 15 shots on this one. Colorful Skies. This one we got 26. We got Magic Eye. Another 26 shots. I'm supposed to be getting 2 more of these, I think, and another one of these. We got the big boy over here, which is a 36 shot. I'm getting 4 more of these. Jurassic Eater. This one's pretty heavy. Now we're getting into the 200 grammers. We got Think Twice. This one is 16 shots. We got Backwoods, 18 shots. 200 grammars. 10 shots. And over here we got the big boy, the Deadly Dozen. We got 12 cakes on these. 343 shots in total. I'm supposed to be getting 6 of these, actually 6 more boxes of these. And yeah, guys, that's my firework stash part 1. I'll keep you guys updated when I get my other ones.